Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing what is actually my Christmas nails. I literally did them a late evening and I had to literally blast them out so fast. I didn't actually think I was going to get a full set done, but I managed to do it. I just kept it plain and simple and straightforward. No design, just a nice simple glitter fade, and honestly I love how they turned out. So of course I already prepped my nails. I applied my nail tips and shaped them. I've actually gone for a new shape this time, which I'm absolutely loving. It's like a long almond oval shape, and yeah, I love how it feels and how it looks, and I'm so excited to do some designs with this set when I do my infill. But yeah, I'm coming in with my Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and adding a clear base to all the nails. And then once I've done that, I'm going to be using Rainbow Bokeh Loose Glitter. These products, by the way, guys, are all from my website, which is Glitter Planet. So yeah, this is how I pick up and apply the glitter. So the glitter is a loose glitter. You just want to apply a little bit of clear acrylic, nice and wet and super thin. Then with the excess product that's on the brush, I'm just coming in and applying that to the free edge of the nail. Once I've finished making sure that that is completely covered where I want it and also that it's lying flat, I can go ahead, do the rest of the nails, and this is how it's looking. I like to let it dry down so that it is set and hold in place. That way when I come in with my ombre colour for the nail bed area, we're not going to be moving around any of that glitter and making a mess on the pink. So it turns out super crisp and super clean. I'm using the Nailmate Pure Pink Cover Powder. It's a gorgeous, I want to say like proper pink, but it's actually quite sheer but still pink, if you know what I'm saying. Like it gives more of a pink hue than a normal kind of cover powder does. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I love it. It gives such a like healthy glow to the nail bed, but still looks really natural, but just really clean and crisp. So I picked up that bead, blended it down, and then I'm doing one right up at the cuticle just to get that nice and flush. So I'm pushing the product up, making sure to use the brush to do that, and then with my brush between the acrylic and my cuticle, making sure no product touches the skin, I'm then going to pull that product down and blend it over the existing bead. Also guys, I am working with my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand, so that's why I'm a little bit like all over the place, but yeah, I'm trying to keep it as smooth as possible so I can show you guys the application. Once I'm happy with the blend, I'm coming in with the Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and we are capping all of the glitter, we are capping that blend, and we are making sure that we have our apex in position. I'm basically going to go ahead and repeat the whole process for all of the nails. Like I said, this was a really last minute set. I didn't want to complicate it too much, so I literally just thought, I really want a set on this Christmas. It's been a few years since I've actually managed to get a set on. I've just been constantly creating content, so I've either got one hand done, one hand not. So this year I was determined to get it done and make it happen, and I was so glad that I did, because honestly a fresh set just makes me feel so fabulous. Anyway, I finished capping the nails, I filed and buffed them, added my Nailmate Super Gloss top coat, and this is the final look. Honestly, like I said, obsessed with how they turned out. Super chic, super classy and glam. But yeah, I can't wait to get some designs on these. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to follow for more. Bye.